Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to make a really sweet candy cane wreath. What you need, Deco mesh, I have solid red and then I have red and white stripe. I have this cute peppermint ribbon, and I have red glitter Chanel stems and a candy cane ring. All of these items were purchased at the dollar store minus the ribbon, but I definitely have ribbon that you can purchase there. So this entire wreath can be made for less than $10. Very simple and easy. We're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to take the red Deco mesh and just start in the bottom corner. I'm going to tie it in a knot. So a simple knot, just like that. And you can just cut off the excess. Doesn't matter. Okay, nice and tight. And then I'm going to pull it through the first two rings, just like that. And then right here you can decide however high you want it, but just make sure they're uniform. So I'm going to pull it through the second one. If they're not exactly the same, it's not a huge deal, but you want them pretty close. So that's my second one. And push it through the third one. Just like that. Then I'm going to scrunch it. So I just scrunched it. And then at the bottom, I'm going to twist it a couple of times. And this Deco mesh does stick to itself, so just be very careful. And then after I twist it a couple of times, I'm going to come back and do the same thing over again. So I'm just taking my fingers and pushing it through. Just like that. Then I push it through the second time. Again, I'm trying to keep all of the loops the same size or close to the same size. And then the third time. Just like that. Really cute already, and we're just getting started. So I'm making 2 rows in each section. So this section is going to have 2, and this next section, and each section is going to have 2. You could squeeze a third one in there if you'd like, or you can just do 1. This is completely up to you. Alright, so I'm going to twist a couple of times. And then come back and do the exact same thing over again. Pull it through the first loop. The hardest part is going to be keeping the Deco mesh straight. Pull it through the second. Pull it through the third. Just like that. Push it over to scrunch it. Twist the bottom a couple of times. All over again. This is what the back looks like. And the front. Okay, I'm just going to keep on going until I'm completely done with the entire cane. So when you get to the end of your Deco mesh, all you have to do, several options. The easiest just is to tie it in a knot, just somewhere in the middle so it's not visible. I'm just going to tie it right here in the middle of this next ring. Tie it just like that. Just like that, and then cut off the excess. And then when you start the next round of Deco mesh, you're going to start it the same way. Tie it in a knot right here, and then go all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Alright, so the entire candy cane is done. Very cute. Now I'm just going to add little extra touches. So I'm going to take my Chanel stems, and I only need 6 because there are only 6 cross rings throughout the candy cane, and those are the rings that I'm going to use. So the 6 Chanel stems. I cut the red and white striped Deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. So I have 12 pieces of the 8-inch long deco mesh. Then I cut the ribbon into about 4 or 5-inch pieces, and I have 12 of those. So 12 pieces of ribbon, 12 pieces of deco mesh, and 6 chenille stems. You're going to take the deco mesh, roll it, take another piece, roll it, crisscross them, take 2 pieces of ribbon, and actually, you know what? I think I want to ribbon cut the ribbon. So for a ribbon cut, you just fold it in half, the open ends on the bottom, the fold on the top, and cut at a diagonal, just like that. So I'll take the 2 pieces of deco mesh and 2 pieces of ribbon. Again, if you want to do only deco mesh, you can. If you want to do only ribbon, you can do that as well. And I'm just scrunching it all together. Take the chenille stem and scrunch it and twist it all together a couple of times. And once you twist it, you can adjust it some more. Adjust it just a little bit more. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to add it to the wreath on the cross wire right there. The 2 inner rings. And I'm just looping it around. I'm actually not going to tie it to the back. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So I looped it around, and you see both of the chenille stems are right here. I just looped one side around the ring. I've come back around to the top. And because these are just so cute, I want to show the chenille stems, the glitter red chenille stems. So that's why I only looped it around. If you have chenille stems that you don't want to show, you just tie it around and twist it on the back. But like I said, these are so cute, so I'm actually going to bring them back up. So I'm just adjusting it. So that I can roll them. And you can use anything, a pencil, I'm just using scissors. Just to give it the cute, cool effect. Just like that. Then I'm going to do the entire process again and twist it a couple of times. Then you can adjust it as necessary. Find the next cross ring, which is right here, and do the same thing. I'm looping it around the 2 inner rings, and I'm bringing it back out. Again, if you want to just tie it from the back and not show the chenille stems, you can definitely do that. Alright, so looping it around so the end is right here. I'm just adjusting it, twisting it so that it's secure. And rolling it. Scissors or a pen or anything that will work. Just like that. So I'm going to do this for all 6 cross rings. This is what it's looking like so far. Very cute, very sweet. So that is what it looks like. Really cute candy cane. You can make a couple and line like a fireplace or the side of your house. So many different things you can do with this. All items were purchased from the dollar store except for the ribbon. I used about 2 rolls of the red deco mesh and half a roll of the striped deco mesh. The entire peppermint candy cane can be made for less than $10. So about $6 or $7. That is awesome.